Guys, right now I'm gonna open my seed packs inside my garden. First, guys, I need to sell this elder strawberry. Guys, like if you support Team Sammy, and sub if you want grow a garden. And guys, time to open my seed packs. And guys, you might be asking where did I get all of these stuff, but I got it from the new bean event, and the other stuff is from the admin the admin, what is it called again? Admin. Oh man, Flair Daisy. I only got a Flair Daisy, guys. Wish me luck. Oh man, Slayer Days again. You guys did not wish me luck. Another Slayer Days. You guys did not wish me luck, huh? Yes! Thank you guys for wishing me luck. Just leave it here. Can you guys still see?
Diba? Makamira is here.
Yeah.
Dito makita, dili. Try ba?
No, but I'm gonna do like this.
Okay, fine. Like this.
No, but hi guys, I'm playing Grow a Garden. And why did you guys not wish me luck? Only 2 times. With that, guys, I need to plant my things. Guys, I'm done planting everything. Look what I have in my garden. This is my garden. I have those. Hey, I did not even notice my golden beanstalk have grown. And I even have the elder strawberry. Hey, this elder strawberry is growing large. Nice. Guys, look, okay, just wait. Guys, look at me and my elder strawberry.